Welcome to a new video about Denmark. Explore Denmark, a unique destination for your next vacation. Ever wondered where the fierce Vikings hailed from? Hint, it's not only known for its rich history but also for its picturesque landscapes. Welcome to Denmark, the cradle of the Vikings. This small northern European country, with its rolling hills, deep fjords, and rugged coastlines, was the birthplace of some of the most feared warriors in history. During the Viking Age, which spanned from the late 8th to early 11th century, Danish Vikings set out from these shores, their keen seafaring skills taking them as far as North America to the west and Constantinople to the east. But the Vikings were more than just raiders and explorers. They were also traders, farmers, and craftspeople. Their influence is woven into the very fabric of Danish society. The Danish language, for instance, still carries echoes of Old Norse, the tongue of the Vikings. And if you wander around Denmark today, you'll find that Viking heritage is alive and well. Take Roskilde, for instance, a charming city west of Copenhagen. Here, you'll find the Roskilde Viking Ship Museum, home to 5 original Viking ships excavated from the fjord. Or head to Jelling, where massive runestones erected by Viking King Gorm the Old and his son Harald Bluetooth tell tales of power and conversion. Then there's the National Museum of Denmark in Copenhagen, where you can immerse yourself in Viking culture through an impressive collection of artifacts, from weapons and jewelry to the remains of Viking longhouses. And let's not forget Lindholm Hoge, one of the most significant Viking burial sites in Denmark, with its stone ship formations and well-preserved graves. So, the next time you think of the Vikings, remember, it's not just a chapter of history, but a living part of Denmark's cultural fabric. The land of the Vikings invites you to explore its past, understand its present, and look forward to its future. And who knows, you might just discover your inner Viking along the way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our exciting videos. What if I told you that the happiest place on earth is not a theme park, but a city known for its unique blend of history, culture, and modernity? Welcome to Copenhagen, the capital city of Denmark. Sitting on the coastal islands of Zealand and Amager, Copenhagen is a vibrant city that's brimming with life, history, and culture. Its roots run deep into the Viking Age, a time of exploration, conquest, and cultural blossoming. This historical richness is seen in every cobblestone street, every half-timbered house, and every beautifully preserved castle. But Copenhagen is not just about history. It's a city that's always looking forward, always evolving. The architecture here is a testament to this. From the medieval round tower, Rundetårn, to the modernist masterpiece that is the Opera House, Copenhagen is a city that marries the old with the new in the most harmonious ways. The lifestyle in Copenhagen is one of the reasons the city often finds itself at the top of the world's happiest places. The Danes have a word, hygge, which loosely translates to comfort, togetherness, and well-being. It's a concept that's deeply embedded in their culture, from the way they design their homes to the way they socialize. You'll see this in the city's numerous parks, cozy cafes, and along the bustling waterfront known as Nyhavn, where people gather to enjoy good food, great company, and the city's infectious positive energy. What's more, Copenhagen is a city that values sustainability. It's one of the world's leading cities in terms of cycling infrastructure, and it has ambitious plans to become carbon neutral by 2025. This commitment to green living contributes to the high quality of life enjoyed by its residents and visitors. Copenhagen is a city that encourages you to live well, to live sustainably, and to find joy in the simple things. It's a city that's not afraid to look to the future while honoring its past. It's a city that's more than just a capital, it's a way of life. Copenhagen, a city that effortlessly combines the old and the new, is truly the beating heart of Denmark. Scene script. Are you a fan of fairy tales or simply love enchanting landscapes? Then there's a magical journey waiting for you in Denmark. Let's embark on a captivating journey along Denmark's Wonderland route. This tourist route is a treasure trove of mesmerizing landscapes and historical landmarks that make Denmark a dream destination for many. As we travel along this route, we come across a diverse range of attractions, from magical castles to serene beaches, each with a unique story to tell. First up, we have the majestic castles that dot the route. These grand structures, like the enchanting Frederiksborg Castle and the formidable Kronborg Castle, are a testament to Denmark's rich royal history. They stand as silent witnesses to the centuries gone by, their stone walls echoing tales of power, intrigue, and romance. As we continue our journey, the route takes us through lush forests that seem straight out of a fairy tale. The Rold Forest, Denmark's largest, is a must-visit. Here, the towering trees and the carpet of green beneath them create an atmosphere of tranquility and peace, offering a much-needed respite from the hustle and bustle of city life. Further along the route, we find ourselves on the sandy shores of Denmark's pristine beaches. Skagen Beach, with its clear blue waters and white sand, is a prime example. Here, one can relax and enjoy the soothing sounds of the waves, or engage in a myriad of water sports, making it an idyllic destination for both relaxation and adventure. But the Wonderland route is not just about nature and history. It also takes you through charming towns like Ribe, Denmark's oldest town. Here, the cobblestone streets, half-timbered houses, and the iconic Ribe Cathedral transport you back in time, offering a glimpse into Denmark's rich cultural heritage. As we wind up our journey along the Wonderland route, we realize that it's more than just a tourist route. It's a journey through time, a celebration of Denmark's culture and history, and a tribute to its stunning natural beauty. One thing is for sure, the Wonderland route is a testament to Denmark's natural beauty and charm. Did you know that there are places in Denmark where you're not allowed to step foot? It might seem surprising considering Denmark's reputation as a warm and inviting country, but it's true. This charming nation has a few spots that are strictly off-limits to the public, and today we're going to delve into the mysteries of these forbidden zones. Let's start with the military zones. These areas, such as the Kærshovedgård Detention Center and the Sirius Patrol Headquarters, are strictly no-go for civilians. The reasons are clear-cut: national security and the protection of sensitive information. These zones house operations that are vital to Denmark's safety and sovereignty, and their off-limits status ensures these operations can continue without interruption. Then, there are the protected nature reserves. Denmark is known for its commitment to preserving its natural environment, and these reserves are a testament to that commitment. Places like the Wadden National Park and the Molsbjerge National Park are home to unique ecosystems that require protection from human interference. These reserves are off-limits to ensure the survival of the diverse species that call these places home. But it's not just about the flora and fauna. Some zones are protected due to their historical significance. The ancient Viking burial sites, for instance, are considered sacred ground. As such, they are off-limits to casual visitors, preserving the integrity of these historical treasures. Now, it might seem disappointing that there are parts of Denmark you can't explore freely. But remember, these prohibitions are in place for a reason. They safeguard Denmark's military operations, protect its unique ecosystems, and preserve its rich history. And while you might not be able to set foot in these zones, the fact they exist adds another layer to the country's intriguing charm. So next time you plan a trip to Denmark, remember that while you're exploring its beautiful landscapes and vibrant cities, there are secrets hidden just out of sight. Despite its welcoming nature, Denmark has its secrets, hidden away in zones off-limits to visitors. From the land of the Vikings to the happiest city on earth, Denmark truly is a remarkable country. We've journeyed together through the heart of Denmark, learning about its rich and fascinating Viking heritage. We've explored the vibrant capital, Copenhagen, where modern life thrives amidst historical streets and architecture, and noted the reasons why it consistently tops the happiness index. The Danish capital, with its charming mix of old-world charm and modern amenities, encapsulates the spirit of this beautiful Nordic country. We have also embarked on an enchanting journey along the Wonderland route. This fascinating route, with its stunning landscapes and captivating tales, showcases the diversity and beauty of Denmark's natural environment. The Wonderland route is a testament to Denmark's commitment to preserving its natural heritage, offering a unique and unforgettable travel experience. And of course, we delved into the forbidden zones of Denmark. These intriguing areas, shrouded in mystery and intrigue, add a layer of depth to Denmark's rich tapestry of history and culture. While they may be off-limits to the general public, Their existence reminds us of the complex and multifaceted nature of this fascinating country. Through all of these, we've seen that Denmark is more than just a destination. It's a land of history, culture, and natural beauty. It's a place where the past and the present coexist harmoniously, resulting in a unique blend of tradition and modernity. It's a country that values happiness, environmental sustainability, and cultural preservation. In short, Denmark is a country worth exploring and understanding. As we wrap up our journey through Denmark, we want to encourage you to experience this remarkable country for yourself. Whether you're a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or just someone looking for a unique travel experience, Denmark has something to offer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our exciting videos. See you in the next episode. Thank you.